A lot can happen in a week. From July 16 to July 23, Florida tallied 73,199 new COVID-19 coronavirus cases. That's an over 60% increase from the previous week, based on data from Florida Health. During that time period, Florida had more new reported infections than any other state in the U.S. In fact, Florida now accounts for about 1 out of every 5 new reported COVID-19 coronavirus infections across the entire U.S. over the past week. Florida has had at least 282 COVID-19 related deaths as well, according to the Johns Hopkins Coronavirus Resource Center. All of this has been happening in a state where less than half of the population, 48.5%, is fully vaccinated against COVID-19, with vaccination rates slowing, as this News 4JAX segment showed. So, things don't seem to be going very well in Florida, unless, of course, you happen to be a virus that looks like a spiky massage ball. Yet, despite all this, the Florida state government doesn't appear to be budging from its June 4 switch from daily to weekly reporting of COVID-19 statistics for the state, according to Forrest Saunders reporting for WPTV, the NBC affiliate of West Palm Beach, Florida. Florida is one of a number of states that decided in recent months to ditch daily reporting in favor of more infrequent reporting. But as Arielle Mitropoulos described in her July 2 ABC News article entitled, "Dozens of States End Daily COVID-19 Data Reports, Causing Experts to Fear Hidden Outbreaks," many public health experts were not too happy with these switches away from daily reporting of COVID-19 cases, hospitalizations, and deaths in the middle of a pandemic. Just imagine what would happen if you were to tell the public that they could only get sports, stock market, or celebrity news on no more than a weekly basis. It probably wouldn't go too well. After all, society has gotten used to real-time updates and smartphone notifications on things like, Kim Kardashian wipes out while wakeboarding over 4th of July weekend. So for now, Florida residents may continue to have more real-time info on what the Kardashians are doing than what a potentially deadly virus spreading around them is doing. This makes about as much sense as a one-legged catsuit for a dog. Florida is battling the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, SARS-CoV-2. In general, with any battle, it's better to know where your opponent is and may be moving, whether you're playing sports or video games, running a military operation, engaging in a beatbox competition, or trying to control an infectious disease. You can't just wear a blindfold and use the Force, as Obi-Wan Kenobi once told Luke Skywalker to do in the movie Star Wars. In the middle of a freaking pandemic, daily updates are far from TMI, too much information. In fact, the daily updates that were provided throughout 2020 were still TLI, too little information, or a TWTHIGO, too what the heck is going on, for a number of reasons. COVID-19 testing in the US.